Hong Kong recorded 112 new COVID cases today, the second highest since the fourth wave hit the city. And for the second day, the source of one-third of the infections was untraceable. There is also concern after 4 concert-goers contracted the coronavirus. Grace Ma reports.
Hong Kong's 112 new cases included 100 local infections, of which 36 were from an unknown source. 4 other new patients today had attended a concert by local pop singer Hin Chen at the Hong Kong Coliseum. They went on different days last week, but 3 reportedly sat in the same part of the arena. The Center for Health Protection says it's too early to label it a cluster.
The 4 cases have different days of visit to the concert, and 2 of them had close contacts who had earlier onset than the 2 cases. So we are not sure whether there's any risk of transmission in this concert. That's why we are asking the relevant authorities to carry out forest disinfection just like we usually do. And also we ask them to carry out testing for all the workers and the performers.
Hong Kong's biggest cluster centering on dance clubs continued growing. An uptick of 17 cases took the total to 607. A Shau Kei Wan hostel for the disabled, run by the Tonghua Group of Hospitals, added another 9 cases, raising its tally to 55. Also expanding is the Lohas Park construction site cluster, which now includes 27 more workers and 5 family members. Another confirmed case today is a taxi driver. A 38-year-old man who was also suffering from influenza A became the city's youngest COVID fatality. He died in Queen Mary Hospital. A member of the man's family is part of the dance cluster. An 82-year-old woman in Queen Elizabeth Hospital also succumbed to COVID, taking the city's death toll to 112. Health authorities said there were more than 80 preliminary positive cases. Grace Ma, HKIBC.
A $2,000 fine slapped on those who violate social distancing rules will be raised to $5,000 from next Friday. It's lower than the $10,000 penalty initially proposed for those who break the mandatory mask rule or the 2-person public gathering limit. The Executive Council made the decision after hearing views that the fine may be too harsh for grassroots residents. But it did not rule out increasing the fine further if the adjustment did not achieve a deterrent effect.